Hey everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a great day. I am the Vortex Trader. Yes, this is me live in the flesh, and today I just wanted to make a short, quick video for you guys recapping what we did in 2022 as a YouTube channel, as a website, and what our plans are moving forward into 2023. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so this is our website. This is the link I have been sharing over the last 110, 120 YouTube videos thus far. Forex-Stock-Predictions.com. Forex-Stock-Predictions.com. This is what we call our FSP hub, and this is where you can come as a trader, an amateur trader, a newbie trader, a professional trader, whatever you are, and you can see how other traders are approaching the markets. This is a really fantastic resource. It is a really great tool. We have some fantastic insight articles. This is for especially for newbies or even those of you that understand things such as support and resistance. We have a whole catalog of different articles explaining exactly, for example, this is support and resistance. I think we have about 9 parts here that explain exactly what it is, how to find your support and resistance levels, what they are, why they are, who they are, where they are, why we use them, what we use them for, etc., etc., etc. It is a fantastic educational tool. Like I said, we have a whole catalog of stuff like this. And you can also scroll through the site and see how various other traders are approaching the markets. You can see how they like to trade Bitcoin or gold or silver or Tesla, whatever you are trading, from stocks to commodities, crypto, and everything in between. We have a trader that focuses on that specifically. Our plan is to grow this website even further in 2023. We are going to be going on a hiring spree. We will want to be taking further traders on, showcasing their work on our website. So if you feel like you are a good trader and you are interested in showcasing your thoughts across the board, feel free to email us at info, where is my link? info@forex-stock-predictions.com. Let me know who you are. If posting and sharing your thoughts and your ideas on the different markets, if that's something that tickles your fancy, then please feel free to hit us up on this email right here, and then we can discuss things further. Right, so as you all know, I am a swing trader on the 4-hour. I am also a scalper on the 15-minute. When it comes to swing trading, I trade order blocks on the 4-hour charts. You can see whatever is green has been a winning position, and whatever is pink has been a losing position. Whatever is yellow is still a pending limit order. All right? And with regards to scalping the 15-minute chart, I only trade 2 pairs as well. I trade the DAX 40, which you guys know about, and I also trade GBP USD, which you guys know about, right? These 2 pairs have very similar strategies. They use the London market open as an entry signal, and I have various things that I look out for, right, which gives me a signal to actually enter the market, long or short, right? Same with my order block strategy. Euro USD, GBP USD, I have various things that I look out for, which lets me know that I am going to enter the trade or if I'm not. What I wanted to put past you guys is that if you like the way I have been trading in 2022 and you like my approach, you enjoy these types of strategies, then what I am thinking, if you want to be part of a tighter community, I'm starting a Discord channel or a Telegram channel. Haven't quite decided which platform I'm going to be using yet, right? But come and jump on board. If it's something that does interest you, then hit us up on that email as well, info@forex-stock-predictions.com. Here it is right here. This is where I will be posting every single trade that I take, right? Because I do not always have the time to post every single trade I take live on video. I don't have the time to post every single trade I take live on our website, right? We have multiple other traders doing that. And a lot of my time is spent running the website, dealing with our partners, because we are partnered with a few various brokers, which is awesome. So if this is something that would interest you, I want to try and create a community of traders, like-minded traders that enjoy this type of trading, scalping the London Open and swinging on the higher time frames. So if it would interest you, then please send an email to this email address right here, right? Let me know that this is something that you would be keen on, and I will send you further details. Okay, guys, so now what are we planning for 2023? We're definitely wanting to grow the channel tremendously. We are nearly on 200 subscribers. We would like to hit 1,000 in 2023. It is absolutely achievable. And with the help of you guys, I see no reason why we won't be able to get there. Our website is growing as well. We are going to be having an awesome store with some fantastic merch. We are going to be having an entire learning center where amateurs and complete newbies who know nothing about trading can visit, and this will be a one-stop shop. This is all you will need to do is visit Forex-Stock-Predictions.com if you want to learn everything there is to know about trading. So in order to keep up to date with all of our updates and our releases, please would you go ahead and hit that like button at the bottom of your screen, hit that subscribe button, turn on that little notification bell so you can be notified when we do put out new content. It has been a crazy busy end of year season. There hasn't been a lot of time for us to publish videos or articles, right? But as January is approaching soon, we're all going to take some time off during Christmas to spend time with our families and our loved ones, and I hope you guys do the same. I hope you have a fantastic break. But when January does start, we are going to be hitting the ground running. So if you want to stay up to date with us, also, before I forget, some of you will remember that I did want to do a prop firm challenge live on YouTube. Yes, that is still in the cards as well. I will be using that 15-minute DAX breakout strategy, which is on the DAX and on GU. So yes, that is still coming too. So just remember to please stay notified. You can find us on Facebook too. You can find us on LinkedIn. And if you have any questions about anything, you can leave it in the comment section below, or you can email us at that email address, info@forex-stock-predictions.com. All right, guys. So on that note, I wish you all a fantastic Christmas, a happy New Year's, whatever you are celebrating, wherever you are in the world. Enjoy the last 2 weeks of December because 2023 is around the corner and then it is on. All right. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, I will be seeing you all next year. Thanks for watching. Bye.